In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a transparency fill along a gradient. In this example here, the lines that are creating depth for the VR set are too strong. They're creating more emphasis on the lines rather than the VR set. So we're going to apply the transparency along a gradient to the lines. To make this a bit easier, I'm going to drag the VR set out of the way. And then I'll make sure I select the layer with the lines on it. The transparency tool is on the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen, about 3/4 of the way down. It's this one that looks like a glass, and we hold the mouse over it, it says transparency tool. So I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to move the mouse over to the left of this layer with the lines on it. Here, I'm going to press and hold the Shift key on my keyboard. Then click and hold the left-hand mouse button. And then I'm going to move the mouse out, and you'll see that this is applying this transparency along the gradient across the lines. So I'm going to bring that out as far as I really want to, and in this case I'm going to bring it out to about here. When you've finished on that, just let go of the mouse button and the Shift key. If, after having applied the transparency, it's going in the wrong direction, move the mouse up to the top left-hand corner of the screen and click on the reverse gradient button. You can see what that does, that flips it. However, I want to keep the one I had in the first place, so I'm going to leave it in this direction. Now, in order to check what this has done, I'm going to move the mouse to the top left-hand corner of the screen and click on the Move tool. It's the black arrow. Then I'm going to select my image of the VR and drag that layer above that now. And we can see what effect that's had. It's taken less emphasis from the lines and allowed the VR set to stand out more. So in this video, we've covered how to apply the transparency tool along a gradient.